Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about how to find the best window replacement business for you. Let's get into it. So when you're going out and looking for a window replacement company to come out, give you a bid on your window project, obviously you're probably looking to see what type of window is going to be best for your house, be it the brand, the value that you're getting with that window. You're looking at the reviews that that company has, right? Yelp, Google. You want to find out what's real and what's just somebody who's just got way too much, complaining that really maybe doesn't have a lot of merit to it. I see this all the time for people who said, oh, it was too much money, but they were great, but it was a lot of money. It's like, well, okay, well, that's where value comes in, right? A customer who sees no value is automatically gonna resort to the price of the window. And I wanna be sure that any customer that we come into contact with sees, yes, we have a great, online presence, great reviews, great windows, and ultimately a great value. That's what we market. You're looking for the same thing. You want to find great value in the project, right? And that's why you get multiple quotes too, and try to see if you can get it in the same style of window. We've had customers come to us after they had already went with another company because of $200 that we were priced higher at. And we did their neighbor's house, the other company got the other job, and their customer ended up extremely upset with how their whole project turned out. Mismeasures, caulking all over the stucco. It just looked tattered, and I saw it firsthand, and I'm going, oh man, for $200, that's the way you wanted to go? And I just like, well, it is what it is. And then they come back and go, hey, can you fix this? No, we cannot. You went that direction, have them fix it. That's the way I want to stand on it. And our customer was just like, wow, like we're so happy, and this is a customer right here in town. It's that I mean, like sometimes the best thing isn't always the lowest number. A customer who doesn't see any value is gonna resort to price. That's all it comes down to. If they can see the value in what's in front of them, they will spend extra money to get something that's gonna be no issues. Factor that in whenever you're window shopping, because you wanna make sure that the project is gonna go flawlessly. And if it's not flawless, you wanna make sure that the company fixes that problem without hesitation. All right, guys, hopefully this video helps out. There's definitely more information out there. I have a lot of videos that go into this type of stuff as well, but this is one that I wanted to focus more on the values of doing business and what, as a consumer, I'm a consumer as well, and I'm looking at, okay? All right, guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.